I'm Shelley Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the HTML editor to edit your email campaign in MailingBoss. So here I am at the dashboard, and I'm going to go to Campaigns, Email Sequence, and then I'm going to click Manage Campaigns. And I'm going to choose that first email, and I'm going to make sure it is not an active email. If it was, I'd have to pause it. And then I'm going to choose the update icon. I'm going to choose Save and Next, and Save and Next again. And now I'm in the email campaign editor. And from here, I can go to the HTML editor to be able to edit my email campaign with some advanced features. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And now I'm in the HTML editor, and I have a dynamic toolbar that allows me to do a lot of different editing with some advanced tools. So I'm going to work in that toolbar, edit my email, and when I'm finished, I want to go ahead and click Save and Next. And that's how you access the advanced HTML editor in MailingBoss.